Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about my favorite skincare product, the product that I absolutely cannot skip anywhere. Okay, if you have been following my channel, you already know what I am talking about. Yes, it's sunscreen. I always love using sunscreen and I always talk about it in most of my videos. Uh, I actually make sure I include a sunscreen in my video. Sunscreen is one of those products, it's very essential. It's not like you can skip it. It's very essential. You have to use it every single day, no matter what's the weather or you are indoors or outdoors. You have to use sunscreen. That's right. So today I am talking about how to use your sunscreen right so that it can give you an optimum result. Okay, you can actually benefit from using sunscreen, because just applying a sunscreen, it's not enough. Okay, you have to make sure you are following 3 steps to make sure that your sunscreen is actually working for your skin. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is choose your sunscreen right. Yes. Most of the time we just follow others, like what they are telling us, and we just go with that sunscreen and we apply it. That's not the right way. Everybody's skin is different and everybody's activity is also different. Necessity of the sunscreen is also different. So choose your sunscreen according to your lifestyle and your skin type so that it suits you. Most of the time people skip sunscreen because they do not choose the right sunscreen. Lot of times I have seen a lot of generic sunscreen, branded sunscreens that I have purchased in past, like 5-6 years back. They do not suit our skin at all. They feel very heavy, thick, and they constantly make you feel very sweaty, very hot. They leave a white cast. That is the most of the time, that's the reason people don't use sunscreen. So first of all, choose your sunscreen right. I have some recommendations for you guys. The one sunscreen that I use for past 3-4 years, I think 3 years now, is this one from the Derma Co. This is Derma Co's hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel with SPF 50, guys. Yes, you have to choose a sunscreen that's at least SPF 50. This also has PA4 plus that provides a sun protection of UVA and UVB radiation. The best part about this sunscreen is it has zero fragrance. Absolutely no fragrance. I have known people who hate sunscreen because of the fragrance. This one from the Derma Co has absolutely no fragrance at all. So if you have sensitive skin, you can clearly use it. You can very easily use it. It will not irritate your skin. The Derma Co's products are always fragrance free. That's why I love Derma Co. So yeah, it is very lightweight and it gets absorbed quickly, immediately. So this is my favorite sunscreen ever. Now, what I absolutely love about this particular sunscreen is its texture. It has a feather like lightweight texture, plus this is completely non-greasy. It has SPF 50 PA4 plus, which means it gives protection against UVA and UVB rays. It has hyaluronic acid that gives a very hydrated and dewy finish to my skin. Plus it leaves absolutely no white cast. That makes it so comfortable to use for Indian brown skin, guys. Now, as I've already mentioned, this is completely fragrance free, just like any other products from the Derma Co. Plus it is completely safe and effective to use. That makes it easier to use actually the recommended amount of sunscreen on your skin. This sunscreen is actually designed by dermatologists, just like any other products from the Derma Co, guys. You can very easily buy these products from the Derma Co's website, Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and Purple. And if you are buying from their website, you can use my code LISA2025 to get an amazing 20% discount, guys. Plus, every time you make a purchase from their website, they will link your order to help a child get education along with Bhumi with their Young Scientist Initiative. And they have empowered over 20,000 students last year, guys. Now, the second thing about your sunscreen is how much to apply. Yes, people mess it up like literally like anything. You have to apply a decent amount of sunscreen every single day so that it would work. And most importantly, you have to apply 15 minutes before you step out, for your sunscreen to activate and actually start working. So definitely when you use sunscreen, apply a decent amount of sunscreen on your skin, and also apply it 15 minutes ahead of time before you step out of your house, so that the sunscreen gets time to activate and actually protect your skin. Now the third very important thing that we all miss is reapplication of your sunscreen. Yes, you have to reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours, until and unless you are using some sunscreen that provides up to 6 hours or 8 hours of long last protection, then you do not have to reapply. If you are using any sunscreen like this, then definitely reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. How to reapply? You have to either cleanse your face properly before you reapply, or take a wipe and clean your face properly and then reapply. If you are applying makeup in the daytime, then the compact from the Derma Co is absolutely amazing to reapply. Otherwise, you can just cleanse your face and reapply this one every 2 to 3 hours. Now next very important thing before I forget it, how to cleanse your skin after the whole day is done. At night time, how to cleanse your skin when you are applying sunscreen. Sunscreen has a tendency to sink into your pores, so definitely cleanse your skin properly. Double cleanse your skin. Use a cleansing balm or an oil first to take away the sunscreen, or to remove the sunscreen from your skin first. Wipe it off, and then you can take your normal cleanser and cleanse your skin. That is double cleansing. It's very easy. It's basically cleaning your face twice, first with either oil or cleansing balm, and after that you can use a cleanser and cleanse your skin. That's all. Okay, so cleanse your skin properly if you are using sunscreen. It's very important. That's it, guys. That's all for my favorite product, sunscreen, that I absolutely cannot skip, and I will always recommend everyone to use a sunscreen. If you guys have any further questions about sunscreen for me, then definitely put it in my comment section, and I will list my favorite sunscreens in my description box with their links. So definitely check that out. So yeah, I will catch you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.